So we are discussing about MVVM architecture, right? On the MVVM architecture, like last time we got some issues, so that I have viewed that. So just we got now one issue that in a Gradle dependency we forgot to add one line, so that I have added. Like I'll show you now what I added on that. So after that, it's supposed to build, but I not build anything like you want to see here in this dependency here. This is a line KAPT plugin. We supposed to add annotate, but we forgot to add that along with this Gradle dependency. We supposed to add that line, but we missed that line. That's why it should be a problem last time. Now we'll try to run this program. So we'll see if any further issue or it will run quickly. That we'll see. So here I'm trying to run this. Now it is not showing any error on any class. Now I'll check this. Thing in this class, something it is showing. This class share helper dot init this. Just a minute, it is running, right? We will see. Normal here we have to import that. That class, what is that class? So that is import of com dot AndroIndian dot MVVM dot. So that is the shared helper. So this is the class we have to import this. Because from here, now this shared helper, we are calling this. So that's why that we have to import here. Okay, this is only it is showing an issue, but this it should come from here. Is there anything in this shared helper? So have we made any mistake on the shared helper? Let's see that. So in a shared helper, everything is whatever we seen that is there, correct. Okay, shared helper, it is an object, not a class, right? That's the reason here it is showing an error here. Now it will be clear. Now I'm running this. Sorry, we have given permission here in the, yeah, we given permission. So I'm running this. Now we will see. in main activity.kt. Okay, here it is something error. So this we have to modify as the main activity. So because of this mistake last time, just we copy pasted that code from there, right? That's why that class name has changed. So that's why just I'm modifying that. Yeah, remaining all are the same. So URL based URL, I want to get you. Done. Now, done. Meanwhile, I'll open the visor also. Yeah, it is launching. We will see now. And now, like last time, so we already registered with this mail ID. We already going this. From there, we are getting the response, but it is showing this. gmail.com. Credentials are wrong, but this will be okay. This code is now working. It is called whatever the response we are getting, that we are getting from the server side. Okay. So for that now, last time just we moved all these files. Like I want to move these files one by one and up. So then we will see that. So first of all here from the first. So here first we have to see that first class, which is Gradle will be okay. After that, this we did. So the main activity, so, right? The main activity here. Now we have to, for the actual main activity, we not created the package, so that we have to create one more package. So that package called as a UI. So in this UI, we have to move this first. So here I'm creating the package, the package name as the UI. So in this UI, now we have to move this main activity. So this is interacting with the UI. So that I'm moving into that. So it will move into that. Right. And after that, now we created an app constraint. We created that constraint, right? Constraint library constant package name as the helper, right? In this helper now, we'll move this app constraint. App constraint I move, then a network state. So this is the network state. So network state we moved, then shared helper also. shared helper also will move into this, right? Then URL helper also in the same package we will move. URL helper also will move in the same package. Then after that, we created a model. So in this model, login response model. So this we have to move into this login response model. We will move that into that. Then network. In the network API client, this we will push into this network. Then retrofit client also will move into the network. Then after that, service generator, even service generator also in network. That means those all are network related things it will handle. Even unsafe HTTPS also that should be in a network only. Right. Then after what we created here, this is an repository we created, right? In the repository, that login repository, this one first we have to move into this repository, login repository, right? Then this login view model will push into this view model, right? Oh, sorry, this we have to come to this view model. So login view model will push into this view. Right. So in this way, the files will be adjusted in user. Right now, for this, now here we have to see the next step. Again, I'll run this. We will see what's going on here. Means that will run or not, we will see here now. Okay. Just that is launching. Something I'm trying with different user. Maybe this is. So this will be normal process like user once we create a user that we can able to check, but this is the process here. So in a MVVM architecture, this is advantage. Like here, what happens? Each and every request will be split into the multiple steps. So when it is split into the multiple steps, then it will be reduce the burden on a main thread. So because of that, it will reduce the main thread burden rate. It remaining all will be executed smoothly without any interruption. So that is about that MVVM architecture. So with this, we have completed the MVVM architecture. So like once we will compare like what are the pending topics that let's see once. Then we will learn academy. Just a minute, I'm opening that Android course content. So in this, the first section, it is completed here. Architecture also completed. And the setup, this is completed. First program, these all are completed. XML completed. Relative layout. So in this, the constraint layout is pending. So that we will discuss one. Then in this, all are completed. Here text fields also completed. Broadcast receiver is pending. Content provider, 2 topics. So total 3 topics now. This adapter section is completed. Telephone here, IMEI, SMS, calls. 6 topics, email, 7. Wi-Fi we already discussed. Bluetooth, 8. And dialogues we have completed. Activity we have completed. Service we completed. This already we counted, 8. In a web services wise, we already completed this. All the things we have completed here. Data binding we have completed. Fragments we have completed. SQLite room database also we completed. Then this navigation drawer snack bar is Firebase also completed. Google Maps is pending, 9 topics. I think Google Maps we completed. Okay, the Google Play is completed. Animations also we completed. AdMob 9. Play Store 10. MVVM MVC this is completed. Jetpack 11. And runtime permissions 12. So this coroutines, compose, flow 14, clean architecture. So total we have the 15 topics pending. Means it will be in 15 to 20 sessions. We will conclude our course. Okay. So then next topic we will see here like 7:30 I have one meeting. So next topic we will discuss tomorrow.